Yes, hello. I'm gonna talk to you about this game called Prize Fiesta. It's a very nice game. You can earn real money from it. It's a real easy play. All you do is match up three symbols, and you're good to go. As you can see, at my bank, it's like $126. They have other things where you can earn prizes once you meet the maximum amount. As you can see, I'm gonna show you how to do this. Just match three, and that's all you do. Very simple. You can also turn the music off if you like. The music is kind of irritating. And also, this game is you can use it worldwide, so there's no problem there. Once you submit your email, your address, your phone number, and you're good to go. You can play this game on your smartphone and your iPhone also on the computer also. Very easy. So all you do is you collect the mushrooms. The more mushrooms you get, the better your chances of winning uh, prizes. As you can see, it's very simple. So I only have four moves left, and then if you run out of moves, then you have to go backwards, and you have to use your gems. If you run out of gems, that you can't match the ones where you need to move forward, you can just. I'll show you in a second. See right here. To continue, I need 59 gems. I only have 39, but I can still play. So I'm not going to use. I don't have enough gems. So the retroactive is like 3 hours from now. I have 2 lives left, so I can just use either one of those lives to keep going. And you go backwards instead of forward. I mean, you can still play, but you won't be able to get the mushrooms. So you see I won that round. So I won't be able to collect, still won't be able to collect the mushrooms, but I'm still able to collect a trophy. So this is how you do it. Very simple. Like I say, you can play online through Facebook, your smartphones, and that's it. Like I say, you can earn good cash and save your cash. You can buy good prizes. Have a good day.